Folks, this has got me extremely confused. Like, I'm not even gonna joke. I think Nibiru got struck by something, or destroyed, or I don't know. But we're gonna go over that here in just a second. Here, I'm not even joking. It's like, wait a minute. So we'll have to see what happens later on today. But if so, holy crap, this is exciting. So here we are at seeds, and we can clearly see it's right here. Okay, there's one here and here. Of course, they got this thing all jacked up. In 3 days, we'll come back to the 23rd, and this will be all cleaned up and pretty, and you'll be able to see it very, very well. I don't know why they. Well, yeah, I do know why they do it. Bunch of turd burglars. But anyways, so that's about all we're gonna get on the seeds here. Because I come back here. Here we are. So here I'll go back here. Here we are, seeds. Excuse me. Okay. And this is obviously today. Whoa, hold on. Slow down there, little sissy. Previous. There we go. So we can clearly see here. Now, if you actually look at it, you can actually, it's not come, this one's not coming out of the sun. It's actually coming around. It's coming around the sun, and it's in this, and it gets in the way of this jet stream here. Okay, see, you know, and that's 28. Okay, so here's the first one, because this is what it was like. And it's funny because you've got an object here, and then this bugger just kind of swings right in the way. You can clearly see it here. You can clearly see it here. It's marvelous, darling. Marvelous, marvelous. I mean, it's very evident, and it's funny because this here actually moves with the planet. See, it's here, and then as it goes, shoots even more, it moves over to here. So that's something there along with it. So that's good, right? We got that. But that's not what I'm talking about. But wait, there's more. Every kiss begins with K. K Jewelers, free plug for advertising. K Ipu, how you doing? Okay, this is what I'm talking about. This is very interesting. So we've seen it come off of here, right? Oh, that's not even the time yet. But there it went. Okay, we've seen it come out. But watch this though. Over here, this is Last Go C2. Just so you know, this is Last Go C2. Okay, Soho Movie Theater. Here's Last Go C3. I'm actually already zoomed on it. Watch this. This is insanity. This is reverse. I'm sorry. I'm really excited right here. Whoa, this is kind of interesting. Of course, this is Venus. But watch. Okay. We're watching right here in this area. You're gonna see it come out, and then all of a sudden it looks like it explodes. It's or was it attacked by something? Maybe, I don't know. Okay, you can still see it. It's right here. Okay, I'll bring her up again. It's right there. This is further away, so it's a little more difficult. But did you see that? Look, you can clearly see it here, right? We can see that. Let's see if I can get it doing. If I can get it to do this way. Sorry, I'm trying, guys. I'm trying. Watch. Boosh. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? I don't see it anymore. Like, what happened to it? Like, where did it go? I'm really confused. Whoa, what is that? Look at that, a dash, a dash, a dash. Almost like something went through it. But it should have still been visible there somewhere. I don't know what happened there. I really don't. I've never seen it do that. And this is normal. That's Venus because it's, it's rotating on its axis, so that's nothing to freak out about. But what's got my pooper in a pucker, so to speak, is knowing that this right here is some form of planetary object of whatever, and you can very clearly see the lines right here, and then it just goes poof. What happened? I didn't see anything coming from any direction. This is wicked, 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 folks. Wicked. Sorry, I'm really stoked right now. I don't know what to even think about this right now. I'm trying to back up. Oh, Memorex. You see it right here? This right here, did you guys see that line? How it did that? Watch the screen again. See how it's here, then all of a sudden, bink, this changes, but nothing else changes? That right there is called light bending technology. Yes, light bending from Borg cubes. I'm not even joking about the Borg cubes. They're all over. In fact, I'll show you another one here. That kind of was one, but I'm sure another one will pop up here in just a second. Is that the end of this? It must be. But yeah, Borg cubes are everywhere. And it's light bending technology. I've done a couple of videos on it. Yeah, see? Hang on. Boop. See that? Like that. The Borg cube is always on the bottom side of this. Whenever this does this, if the switchover is down here or if the switchover is up here, it's always on the bottom side when it does the switchover. So this right here, this is where the Borg cube is at. Okay, you can watch some of my other videos and you'll clearly see it and what I'm talking about. Yes, Borg are real. It's a real deal. Oh, hey there, little buddy. Hi. Yeah, little birdie guy. I don't know if this will actually have an actual... Whoa. How you doing? Warp speed or something? Uh-oh. There's another one right there. Oh, look at this. You got your line here, your line here. This actually might be a Borg cube coming into view. It's hard to get the Borg cubes unless they're actually projecting their cloaking device, which is their light bending technology. And I know and some of my family and friends are probably like, oh my gosh, you know, Jacob, you're nuts. No, I'm really not, because when you actually just accept the fact that Star Trek is reality, Star Wars was the past, documentary of the past, and all of that stuff that we've been going through, that we learned about Star Wars and Star Trek, it's all been about soft disclosure to soften the blow when we discover, yes, it's real. Yeah, when you actually admit that part to yourself, it makes life a lot nicer. See, look, here it is down here, shooting it up. See how it changes? See, watch. See, now it's over here. That's just how it works. I've caught him on that several times. But yeah, folks, let me know what you think in the comments. Please subscribe, like, and share. Share this with other platforms. Let them know, hey, this stuff's going on. And if you're a follower of Nibiru or and the Anunnaki or Planet X, whatever, this should resonate with you. You should be looking at that going, wait a minute, what was that? Especially if you've been awake for a while and you're familiar with these apps and these sites. That's something. I'll let you guys know later on this afternoon. I'll keep on looking and see if I can find any remnants or any traces of what happened there. All right, you guys stay safe. Love ya.